Hi, and welcome to the second section of this course. In this section, we will talk about the branching. So we will start understanding how the basic branching works. We will talk about what a head is and what are the other names that we can assign to a commit. Then we will see how the branches are stored into the file system inside of the Git. At the end of this section, we will see some special parameters that we can pass to the git branch command to, for example, rename a branch or track a remote or check if a branch contains a commit or not. Let's start with our first video, branching basic. So we will see how we can create a branch, how we can change the current branch, and how we can reset a branch to a specific commit. This is our usual repository. To start, let's list all the branches that we have on this repository. The command is just git branch. The real option to have this list should be git branch --list, but --list is the default option when no other options are passed. In this case, we can see that we have 3 branches, and the current branch has a star at the beginning of the name to indicate that this is the current branch. One important thing that we always need to know about the branch is that if this branch is merged into the current branch or not. If we look at the history of this repository, we can see that the developed branch was merged into the master branch, but the issue 53 was not. How can we see this difference with the git branch command? We need to pass the option --merged or --no merged. With this command, we can see the list of branches that are not merged yet into the master branch. And of course, if we remove the no option, we see only the branches that are merged into the master one. How we can create a new branch? The command is just git branch, and then we need to pass the name of the branch that we want to create. For example, issue 54. At this point, the branch was created, but we didn't change the current branch. So the current branch, as you can see here, is still master. Let's see how the repository looks like. So the issue 54 branch was created, but we didn't change the current branch. To change the current branch, we need to do a checkout, and the command is git checkout issue. And if we type the git branch command, the issue 54 branch has the star at the beginning of the name. This create one branch and then move into this branch. It's pretty common. So usually what I do is not to merge and then checkout, but I use the checkout command with the -b option that stands for create a branch. So let's try now to create a branch, issue 55, and immediately switch to this new branch. The command is just git checkout, -b to specify that we want to create this new branch, and then the name of the branch that we want to create. As you can see, we created a branch, issue 55, and we immediately switch it to this branch. One problem that happens to me from time to time is that I create a new branch, but I started from the wrong commit. In this case, let's suppose that I want to create a new functionality that should be from the developed branch, but I instead created this new branch starting from master. Now, if we look at the history of the repository, it's clear that I started this branch from the wrong commit. I have this new feature here that's starting from master. What I really wanted to do was create this branch starting from the developed branch. In this case, fixing the problem is really easy because I do not have any commit on this branch and I didn't push this branch on remote. So what really I need to do is just move this label, this new feature label. Instead of pointing to this commit, I need to point to this one. So I can copy the ID of this commit, and then I just do a git reset --hard, passing the ID of the commit where I want to reset my current branch. Now we fixed the problem. The new feature branch is starting from this one instead of starting from master.